Good morning from, what's it called again?
Pretty Beach.
Pretty Beach?
Pretty Beach down at Kilcare.
Part of the Bouddi National Park. So it's a beautiful morning, so we thought we'd get out and about. That's the first thing I want to talk about this morning is this hobby of videography and drone flying. One of the best parts about it really is it gets you out and about. So we wouldn't be here definitely on a winter's morning if it wasn't for this little thing. So anyway, second thing is it's a bit of a dry run for preparation for the Japan trip. So I've got a bit of a rig happening here. I've got the Action 4 on the backpack and I brought the drone as well, so we might get a bit of footage with that. Anyway, I'll just spin the camera around a bit and we will just give you a bit of an overview of what we've got here. Quite a beautiful setup, lovely morning. A couple of seagulls there for us. Hey fellas. Anyway, that's all for now. Okie dokes, well that's I guess a wrap
That's a wrap for today.
Beautiful little walk in the morning, great area. If you get a chance, if you're on the Central Coast, I suggest coming down here to the Bouddi National Park. It's pretty cool, some great rock formations, etc. Anyway, that's all for this one. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.